Today's picture is this. This picture shows a busy outdoor market in an old English town. The street is paved with cobblestones and there's a beautiful black and white Tudor style building in the background. In the foreground, an elderly man and a young boy are sitting together on a wooden bench. They're both holding small wooden toy boats and smiling at each other. They look like grandfather and grandson. The man seems relaxed and affectionate with the boy, and they're sharing a simple, happy moment together, probably teaching him about the wooden boats. The man is wearing a plaid flannel shirt, a bucket hat, and hiking boots. The boy is wearing a navy blue jacket. On a little table in front of them, there are several more handmade wooden sailboats on display. There's also a wooden sign that reads Outfitter and Guide. A black and white dog is lying on the ground near the bench, resting. In the background, you can see market stalls with tents, and people are walking around and shopping.